When it comes to choosing the best help desk software, HubSpot Service Hub and Kayako are two popular options that often come up in conversations. But which one truly stands out? In this video, we're going to break down the pros and cons of both HubSpot Service Hub versus Kayako to help you decide which is the better fit for your business needs. Let's start with HubSpot Service Hub. One of its biggest draws is how well it integrates with the rest of HubSpot's ecosystem. If you're already using HubSpot for CRM or marketing, then the Service Hub fits seamlessly into your workflow. It offers a great deal of automation, which can make managing tickets and customer inquiries a lot more efficient. Plus, it comes with tools for live chat, email support, and a knowledge base that's easy to set up. Next thing, HubSpot shines with its reporting features. You get in-depth analytics that give you a solid overview of how well your support team is performing. This is helpful for monitoring response times, customer satisfaction, and overall team efficiency. However, this comes at a cost. HubSpot's pricing can quickly get expensive, especially if you want to unlock all of its features. Its higher tier plans are not the most budget-friendly for small businesses, so you might need to evaluate if the investment is worth it. Now, let's switch gears to Kayako. Kayako is a bit more specialized in offering a multi-channel support experience. It provides features like email, live chat, and social media support, all in one place. One unique thing about Kayako is its conversational approach. Rather than a traditional ticket-based system, it focuses more on real-time conversations with customers, which some businesses may find more intuitive and engaging. Next thing, Kayako offers a strong knowledge base and automation tools as well. Their automation system is fairly customizable, but not quite as comprehensive as HubSpot's. Kayako does offer useful reporting tools, but they don't go as in-depth as HubSpot's analytics. The software is also generally considered to be easier to use, with a more straightforward setup process. However, Kayako isn't perfect. While its pricing is generally more affordable than HubSpot, it lacks some of the more advanced features available in HubSpot's higher plans. If you're looking for top-tier integrations or a truly all-encompassing solution, you might find Kayako lacking in some areas. The customer support is also sometimes hit or miss. Some users have reported slower response times when they needed assistance. The fourth thing to mention is the user interface. HubSpot's interface is sleek and professional, but for some, it can feel a bit overwhelming with all its features, especially if you're a small team with simpler needs. Kayako, on the other hand, offers a cleaner, more user-friendly interface, which could be a huge advantage for smaller businesses or those just starting to build their support teams. So which one is better for you? It really depends on your needs. If you already use HubSpot for CRM or marketing, and you're looking for seamless integration and robust reporting features, HubSpot Service Hub is a great choice. On the other hand, if you're more focused on conversational support and need a more affordable, simpler-to-use solution, Kayako might be your better option. But here's the thing, I've tried both of these solutions, and while they're good, there's another help desk software that I believe offers a better overall experience. If you want a more powerful alternative to HubSpot Service Hub and Kayako, you should definitely check out the software I'm recommending in the description below. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, after using both HubSpot and Kayako, this alternative is a game changer. So if you're serious about finding the best solution for your business, take advantage of that link and give it a try today.